Passive real estate investing. Let's talk about the top 3 ideas for passive real estate investing with which you can earn thousands, if not millions, every month. You can invest in real estate without having to be physically present, which makes it the perfect investment for those with busy lives. Back in 2020, when the world almost shut down completely, the housing market kept growing. To save our economy from a gigantic collapse, our government decided to give subsidy to the commercial banks through which investors were able to take loans at crazy low interest rates. This did help the economy to stay afloat, but the inventory of houses in most of the big cities went down a lot. Now, when the Fed is increasing the interest rates on the borrowed money, the housing market is looking to get normalized. This presents us with a passive real estate investing opportunity. We will discuss different methods with which you can not only earn money but also build wealth. There are a few different ways to invest in real estate passively, and each has its own set of pros and cons. One of the most popular methods is through rental properties. You purchase a property and then rent it out to tenants. When most people think about investing, they think about buying stocks or picking a mutual fund. While these may be viable options, investing in rental property can provide you with a steady stream of passive income, meaning you can earn money even when you're not working. All you need to get started is the willingness to learn about the market and how to manage your investment. Unlike stocks or mutual funds, rental properties are tangible assets that you can see and touch. This means they have the potential to appreciate in value over time, which can add to your bottom line. Rental properties also offer tax benefits that other investments do not, such as the ability to deduct mortgage interest and depreciation expenses from your taxable income. However, there are some things you need to know before investing in rental property. First, you need to research the market and find a good investment property. It's important to buy a property that will be in high demand and that will generate a good return on investment. Next, you need to be prepared for the added responsibilities of being a landlord. This includes dealing with repairs, finding tenants, and collecting rent. Finally, be sure to consult with a financial advisor before investing in rental property. They can help you determine how much money you can afford to spend on a property and whether or not this is the right investment for you. When you're looking for rental properties to make money passively, you'll want to consider a property that will give you a steady return on your investment. This could be in the form of a monthly income from rent or through capital appreciation over time. There are several things to keep in mind when searching for passive real estate investments. Firstly, make sure you understand the market conditions and what to expect in terms of future growth potential. Buying a rental property in a nicer neighborhood can not only be helpful with cash flow, but also in the appreciation of the property over time. This way you will get double the return on your investment. Secondly, look for properties that are low maintenance and have good long-term tenants in place. You can make your rental property cash flow positive as soon as you figure out these 2 things. A long-term tenant that can stay and take care of your rental property can be a blessing. On top of that, if you have a low-maintenance property, the overhead will be small, making it cash flow positive from the get-go. Finally, try and find a good deal on the purchase price so you can maximize your profits down the road. When the interest rates go high, usually the demand for housing goes down. And that is the best time for you to find the property of your liking at the price you think is fair. Buying a rental property in a seller's market is not only tough, but you may end up paying over asking price. This can result in paying over appraisal price and consequently reducing the cash flow for you. Passive real estate investing has another aspect as well, and that aspect involves you investing in real estate funds. Although you can't leverage the loan from your bank for this method, this opportunity can bring you a steady flow of income just like your rental property can. The opportunity here is to invest in real estate funds or trusts. This involves pooling your money with other investors and entrusting it to a professional fund manager who will invest in real estate on your behalf. You can become part owner of a real estate empire of professional fund managers' properties. This way, you will not have to deal with any of the intricacies and challenges that come with buying your rental property, but the margin for profit is less at the same time. The final option is to buy shares in a real estate investment trust. Real estate investment trusts, or REITs, are a type of investment that allow you to make money passively. With a REIT, you can invest in a pool of properties and collect income from those properties without needing to manage them yourself. This makes REITs a great option for those looking to make passive income with little work required on their part. I personally have invested money in REITs like Reality Income, Digital Realty Trust, etc. There are several different types of REITs available, so it's important to do your research before investing. Some REITs focus on residential properties, while others invest in commercial real estate. It's also important to consider the risk involved with any investment and make sure that the REIT you choose fits with your overall risk tolerance. One of the biggest advantages of buying shares in a REIT is that you can earn money without having to manage any properties yourself. REITs are essentially collections of properties that are managed by professionals, so you don't have to worry about finding tenants or fixing broken appliances. This can be a huge relief if you don't have any experience in the real estate industry. Another advantage of investing in REITs is that they offer stability and predictability. Let's wrap up today's video. I wish you all good luck for the next big idea you get. Do stick around if you want to learn more about finance management and ideas that will get you started in exploring new sources of income. You'll find plenty of content about achieving financial independence here on this channel. Until then, subscribe, like, and share. Bye for now, till next time.